someone say, free pizza?
Yes, I have accumulated the precise amount of coupons for one free Cosmic Crust pizza.
What? You never said it was Cosmic Crust pizza.
Proximity alert.
Ratchet, could you watch the road, please?
A free Cosmic Crust pizza is nothing to get excited about. The box has more flavor than the pizza.
Flavor is not my primary objective, Ratchet. I find enormous satisfaction in fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals.
You know, Clank, that does sound pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie. That does sound pretty impressive. You're welcome, Clank. It's no big deal.
Yeah, but Cosmic Crust? I mean, it's only popular because their ads are everywhere. Okay, I think I'm done.
Ratchet, you know I'm good for poking fun at Quark too, but did you seriously have to do that? Well, okay. If you say so, Ratchy.
May we now resume our primary mission?
Secondary mission, Clank. Cardboard crust does not qualify as a primary mission. If it were up to me, we'd be going for a nice slice of tentacle!
Computing evasive options.
The only evasive option I need is Mr. Throttle!
Perhaps an alternate course of action.
I'm not done yet! So, do we need to discuss the giant tentacle that just tried to yank us into oblivion?
Yeah, I do believe we need to discuss that, Ratchet, because there's absolutely no way that could have happened by accident. Yeah! I mean, what the crag was that?
Curious, it emerged from a short-term interdimensional portal.
Portal technology?
Imagine what we could do with that!
Ratchet, I hope you're not...
Tracing the energy signature of that hypertext so I can nab it for myself? Great idea, Clank.
No, it is not. I've spent many solar cycles aggregating pizza coupons. It is very important.
Found it!
Huh? Oh dear. No, Ratchet. You promised.
Come on, Clank. This'll be fun.
For you, yes. Your activities always take precedence over mine.
Okay, not true. I mean, yeah, look, what about that time, well, okay, and you know...
Well, Ratchet, I believe you have just lost to a robot.
I mean, this is gonna be quick. We'll just fly in, take a quick look, see what...
The well-fortified, nigh-impervious base of galactic supervillain Dr. Nefarious? Oh, dear.
Dr. Nefarious? Again? Man, this guy doesn't even know when to give up on his evil plans, does he? I agree, guys. Well, watch out, Nefarious. Whatever you're playing this time is not gonna work. Me and my little sister, Ratchet and Clank, are going to see to that.